If you're ready to install your Sahler 4.5D custom-designed car mats, let's begin. Start by removing all existing mats from your vehicle to ensure a perfect fit and a safe driving experience. Crafted with precision injection technology, Sahler mats are engineered for long-lasting durability and exceptional performance against wear and punctures. Leveraging advanced 3D laser scanning technology, Sahler mats guarantee a perfect fit for your vehicle's floor. Sahler mats offer ultimate protection with a deep well design that traps dirt and liquids. Constructed from TPE material, Sahler mats are odorless, anti-allergic, and eco-friendly. Now go ahead and take your Sahler floor mats out of the box. Each piece of your design-registered Sahler mat set is custom crafted for your vehicle's make and model. Refer to the placement guide shown on the underside of each mat and position them carefully in the correct orientation on your vehicle floor. Position the driver's side mat, ensuring the clips are securely engaged with your vehicle's factory anchor points. Depending on your vehicle model, the mat may also feature a Velcro-style fastening system. The Sahler R&D team has developed a patented connection system for the rear mats, combining superior functionality with effortless usability. The adjustable pins on the rear mats align with corresponding holes on the rear center tunnel mat and are inserted to secure the mats in place. In some models, the rear mats interlock with the rear center tunnel mat, with the tabs on the mats fitting securely into corresponding slots. In other versions, the mats snap into place, much like fastening a button. For models without a separate rear center tunnel mat, the rear mats connect at the center, working seamlessly as one cohesive unit. Thanks to Sahler's innovative rear center tunnel connection system, the rear mats work together seamlessly, functioning like a single unit. If spills occur, the mats can be easily detached and removed by a single person without spilling any liquid inside the vehicle. Guided by its motto, "Quality lies in the details," Sahler has added an anti-slip clip system with gripping tips to the rear mats, complementing the spike-patterned base for extra stability and comfort. To activate the system, just remove the plugs beneath the clips. These non-slip clips grip the floor with their tips, providing extra stability and keeping the mats securely in place. Sahler stays true to its commitment to customer satisfaction by offering smart alternative fastening solutions for models without front passenger floor anchors. Depending on technical requirements, these solutions include non-slip tipped clips, Velcro attachments, or screw-in mounts. Sahler floor mats are designed exclusively for left-hand drive vehicles. Ensure the textured anti-slip surface of the mat is in direct contact with your vehicle's floor. For your safety, always check that the clips on the driver's side mat are securely fastened and that the mat does not obstruct the accelerator, brake, or clutch pedals. Do not use the driver mat if it becomes damaged or poses a safety risk. Only use the Sahler mat set designed for your specific vehicle model. Avoid using chemical cleaning products that could create a slippery surface or damage the mat. After cleaning, reinstall the mats properly according to the provided installation instructions. Sahler, the art of auto floor mats.